Hello viewers, welcome to the Gemini Garden. In this video, we are going to see the step-by-step guide to start gardening at home easily. Before starting this video, take a moment to subscribe to the channel, so you can get more gardening ideas. Okay, let's get started. In this video, I will explain the basics of home gardening comprehensively in 10 steps. Number 1. Place. If you are getting interested in plants and want to see their growth, the place is not a hurdle for you. You can start with zero investment for gardening. You can grow plants in your backyard, terrace, kitchen, veranda, balcony, entrance, and if you are in a hostel or a tiny room, still, you can grow in your room. There is no place barrier for planting until the plant needs more lightening in nature. So if you feel to have planted, just jump to the next step. Number 2. Container. We can plant in 3 ways, which are plant in the ground, plant in a container, and plant in water. If you have land to plant, you can plant in the ground after the soil preparation. But if you don't have particular ground to plant, try containers. It can be anything: thermocol boxes, waste plastic boxes, water bottles, pipes, and even you can plant in bulbs. Take the container and add holes so the plants can drain the excess water. And do not place the container on a flat surface. Use brick or any uplifts to uplift the container, so you can avoid worms and pests, and you can easily maintain cleanliness. Number 3. Soil. We can grow plants in any soil, but we should prepare it before the plantings. If we do not prepare the soil, plants can't get healthy growth. So it's advisable to use soil mix, mainly for containers. Follow this ratio of soil mix. Take 1 part of loam or topsoil, 1 part of any compost, and half part of perlite or vermiculite. This is the ratio of soil mix for beginners. If you want to know the advanced level, use the upper link. You can use any soil for topsoil. For compost, use well-rotted compost or create your own compost. By composting kitchen scraps and yard waste, it will give the nutrients to the plants. For pertile, use crushed neem cake. It will protect the plants from pests. So use this ideal soil mix for your home gardenity. Number 4. Seed. When you start your gardening journey, do not try to buy seeds. Start from your kitchen. You can get maximum foods from kitchen. Before choosing the seed, you should analyze your environmental nature. I suggest you to plant radish, leafy greens, tomato, chili, and brinjal. These all are easy to grow plants that you can propagate from your vegetable wastes. Number 5. Sowing. Do not sow seeds randomly. Take partitions. Put seeds and cover them with soil mildly. Use seeds and mix them with ash, so you protect soil from ants. Also, it increases the growth of the seed. And importantly, don't put it deeper depth. It will struggle to grow. So try to sow and cover in the upper layer. Number 6. Composting and fertilizer. The difference between compost and fertilizer is that compost supplies the earth with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and improves the ability to keep these nutrients longer. Fertilizers are organic or chemical compounds used to nourish plants. For a home or a garden, you can make the best and easiest liquid fertilizer from your kitchen wastes. By taking rice rinsed water and adding vegetable waste with it, let it soak for 5 hours. Then filter it and spray it on your plants. It is a highly recommended liquid fertilizer. Also, you can use any composites for your plant, but do not apply strong composite to any of your plants. Mix it with plenty of water and spray it on your plants. Number 7. Watering. Watering should be consistent, and also know the nature of the plant you have. Also, watch the leaves color. If it gets yellowish green, it means overwatering. Overwatering and less watering, both are dangerous. Maintain average watering ratio for every plant. Do not water in the environment and hot water. Watering in the morning and evening is advisable. Number 8. Weeds. Most of the beginners are getting mistaken here. Weeds are the plants that automatically take the soil's nutrients and health. It conquers the nutrients that go to the plants you planted. It's more important to remove weeds from the beginning. It is not a big task to consider. Supervise your plants daily whenever you water. If you notice any unnecessary plants, immediately remove it from your garden place. Also, you can spread wood chips after planting. It is a good compost and also protects your plant from weeds. Number 9. Hurdles. An ideal planting isn't finished until the prevention from hurdles. You can experience hurdles like ants, rats, and pests. If you use pot planting, use pest chalk around the pot to avoid ants. You can use one magic treatment for rat postings, which is take 2 spoons of wheat flour and add 1 paracetamol tablet. Make a batter like roti batter. Make little balls and throw them in every corner and the place where you feel the rat was there. It is purely a magical trick. Within 3 days you can't see a single rat in your garden. Use this method also in your home and office. And if you see any pests or in leaves and stems, initially apply water over the plant, and brush it can save the plant. If it crosses the initial stage, use neem oil and spray it on all your plants. If you don't take any actions towards the pest, it will spoil the plant easily, and also the nearby plants. So do be concerned about all your hurdles. Number 10. Maintenance and harvest. Follow these 9 steps regularly, and consistently have the routine of watering, composting, weed removal, and notice the hurdles. Maintenance also includes sticks and twigs. If your plant needs structure, apply sticks and twigs. Balance is important. Harvest the food in the correct condition. For example, you should harvest lettuce in younger stage, but tomato in ripe stage. So this way, you can understand the cycle of the particular plant. If you want to know detailed information of any stage, use the playlist link which is in the description box. Do follow these ideal steps and let me know how it works. Subscribe to the channel to get more gardening vibes. Thank you. Bye.